Looking at the Markets with David Modell.
Hello and welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. 3 chart patterns you can use to trade almost anything. Not only can you trade almost anything such as cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, forex, stocks, commodities, indexes, gold, that kind of thing. But also you can use these 3 chart patterns on almost any time frame, whether it's daily candlesticks or 1 minute or 2 minute, 5 minute, 4 hour candlesticks, even weekly candlestick charts. These should all be effective and powerful. They do not work 100% of the time. They are not perfect. So make sure that you make your own decisions and be careful. Respect your stop losses, okay? And do not over leverage yourself. Don't trade too much at one time. I don't want you to get hurt in the markets, okay? All right, so let's start with number 1. Here we go. The hammer candle and gap up. This is such a great chart pattern right here. Let's say, and this is Apple stock, the 1-day daily candlestick chart. But again, these patterns can apply to almost any time frame. Okay, so you got Apple stock day after day going down, 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 down. Could there be a reversal about to happen though? Well, check out this hammer candlestick right here. You got a small body and a long lower wick, or shadow as they call it, okay? That means that the sellers tried to push down the price, but they failed, because then, before the period was over, before the day was finished, the buyers stepped in and bid the price right back up, okay? Almost to the top of the day, all right? So that's a great sign. Now, you might want to use confirmation though. A hammer candle at the bottom of a downtrend, that's great, but you might want some confirmation just to make you feel that this is really going to go up, okay? No guarantees, but this can increase your probabilities sometimes. So let's look at the next candle, a gap up, okay? You see how there's a white space there? The next day, the next period started up here. That's a gap up. After the hammer candle, you had a gap up. Now, if you have the volume bars here on your chart, let's say, and let's say you had a big green volume bar down here below the gap up candle, that's possibly even more powerful. That could be even more confirmation for you, because big green volume, that could mean conviction behind the move, a lot of participation, a lot of shares being bought, okay? But we don't see that here. We're just looking at the 2 candle pattern, the hammer at the bottom of a downtrend and then a gap up. And by the way, this also has a nice big green body on the candle as well. That is pretty good confirmation as far as I'm concerned. No guarantees it's going to go up after that, but look what happened on this Apple chart. It did, because that's 2 signs right there that the buyers are stepping in and taking control back from the sellers, okay? So that's the first chart pattern. I have 2 other really powerful ones that I like a lot. Okay, so stick around for those. First, when people ask me, I want to tell you about if you want to trade all these things such as forex, currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, stocks, commodities, indexes, gold, oil, gas, things like that, the dollar. You can do them all in one place. You can do them at Crypto Rocket. It's at cryptorocket.com. It's right there. Or you can click on the link in the description below this video to go there. I encourage you to do that and check it out. Or type it into your browser, cryptorocket.com. Crypto, forex, trading safe, simple, and fast. Trade with a trusted market leader with an established track record using up to 1 to 500 leverage. That is powerful leverage right there. All you have to do is go to cryptorocket.com, hit that sign up button, or sign up right here with your information on that home page. 24/7 live chat support, same day withdrawals, reliable and safe trading platforms. So what kind of leverage can you get? Well, with Forex and commodities, you can get leverage of up to 1 to 500. That's powerful. With cryptocurrencies, you get a maximum leverage of 1 to 100. You get up to 1 to 200 leverage for oil, gas, and other energy type of investments, as well as the indexes. And for stocks, leverage of up to 1 to 20. That's some great leverage. And look at the menu of all the things you can trade. You got your major currency pairs. Look at all the stocks you can trade. Apple, Boeing, American Express, Citigroup, Cisco, Ford, Facebook, FedEx, GE. It's just such a big list here. And all the currency pairs you can trade. You got your Forex and you got your exotics even over there, okay? You got your metals over here, your dollar futures. But look at that list of stocks. It just keeps going and going. Commodities, such a great menu, such a big menu of different stocks. And of course, cryptocurrencies, because this is Crypto Rocket. You got your Bitcoin, Ethereum, Neo, Litecoin, Dash. Big list here. All right, so check it out, cryptorocket.com. Once again, you can go to the link in the description below this video, or you can just type it into your browser, cryptorocket.com, and go ahead and hit that sign up button, or sign up also right here and get your live account right now. Great way to trade all these things that I've been talking about. All right, so back to, we have number 2 and number 3. We have the patterns, the chart patterns. This is chart pattern number 2, bullish engulfing candlestick after a swing low. So this is Apple again, but this is the 1 minute candlestick chart, okay? But all these patterns I'm mentioning today, you can try them out on daily candlestick charts, 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minute, 4 hour, weekly charts, daily, whatever you like. Okay, so this is a 1 minute candlestick chart, and you had Apple stock going up, but then a swing low. Uh-oh. But how do I know? Well, you never know for sure, but when can I get some confirmation that maybe the swing low is finished and I can buy? Well, look at this. Look at these 2 candlesticks right here. A bullish engulfing pattern is a 2 candlestick pattern. You have a smaller red candle and then a bigger engulfing green candle right there. That's the buyers stepping in and taking control back from the sellers, okay? What does engulfing mean? I'll give you a quick review right now. Look at the body of the candlestick. The body of the bigger green candle is lower than the bottom of the body of the red candle. So the bottom is lower, and also the top of the body is higher of the green candle compared to the smaller red candle. So it entirely, and the green candle entirely engulfs, or is bigger than, top and bottom, the preceding red candle, the red candle before it, okay? Talk about buyers stepping in and taking control back. That is pretty powerful. Now, if you put, again, the volume bars below the candles, that can give you even more confirmation. If there's a big green volume bar below it, that could be even more confirmation. That could tell you there's conviction in the move. Okay, and what happened afterwards? Boom, right? Look at that. Up and up and up. It does not happen like that every single time, but you know, that's pretty good confirmation. I like it right there, okay? Now, if you want to wait for the next candle for even more confirmation, notice there was a gap up there, okay? So that's another good sign, all right? But bullish engulfing after that swing low could be a reversal pattern, could be a bottom, oftentimes, not always, but oftentimes. And the third one is the long-legged doji candlestick to signal a possible reversal. So here we have Apple, 1 minute chart once again, all right? Up, but then a swing low, as they say, okay? We got it down, down, down. Five red candles in a row. Notice that last red candle, though, it's kind of small. The body's kind of small. Interesting, okay? Could that be a reversal? I don't know if that's enough confirmation for me. Let me look at the next candle. Look at that, a long-legged doji. What is a doji? When the body of the candle is flat. That means that the stock, or whatever it is, opened and closed at around the same price, or even exactly the same price sometimes. Either close to or exactly the same price. Open and closed, all right? And so when that happens, you get a more of a flat line, okay? Not much of a body at all right? That signals indecision and possibly a reversal pattern. Okay, now why is it a long-legged doji candle? Well, it's doji because you got that flat body, but it's long-legged because you got a long upper wick and a long lower wick. So yes, you have indecision and possible reversal pattern in the making, but you also have a lot of movement because you have that big upper wick and the big lower wick. That's a lot of movement in one candle, all right? In one period of time, a lot of movement. So that could mean explosive action possibly coming, all right? Possible reversal with possible big moves coming. And that's exactly what happened. Boom, right? First of all, look at the next two candles, big green bodies on those candles, and it just kept going, all right? So, if you want to wait for confirmation, you can. You can look at the next candle to see if it's a green one, and if it's got a big green volume bar below it, that's possibly even better. That's possibly even more confirmation. But if you ever wanted confirmation, this is pretty good right here. Look at the size of that candle there. Green and large. All right, that's pretty good confirmation. And so you may not want to buy on the long-legged doji. You may want to wait for the next one to see if the buyers really are ready to step in. And again, look for the volume too if you want to. All right, so those are three great chart patterns. You can use them for so many things. Cryptocurrencies, stocks, indexes, commodities, all right, forex, currency pairs, the dollar, whatever it is you're trading, you can use it. And if you want a great way to trade those, then you can go to the link in the description below this video and click on that link and it'll take you there, and you really should check that out. All right, my name is David Modell. This is Looking at the Markets, and I'm going to keep on bringing you great ideas that you can try out on your own. Just be really careful, respect your stop losses, do not over leverage yourself. Just be really super cautious with your trading. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I will talk to you again soon.